Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I have another package to unopen, and you can probably guess it. It's another box of mini discs. They sent a little thing of tissues. Cute. So this package was shipped from Japan. I don't know if you could tell the intricate packaging that usually kind of gives it away. Got this special MD jacket case. This thing is unopened and sealed. Brand new. The colors are pretty cool. Some old school packaging right here. Time to open it. Inside is a bunch of extra labels. Labels I probably won't touch. All in Japanese. It's like it was just manufactured yesterday. Check out these colors. This mustard orange. This deep purple disc, but the sleeve isn't deep purple. The disc is actually more of a cobalt, but the sleeve is a purplish, light purple. Yeah, it's like a rich cobalt. Not sure why they chose such a light colored skin for the sleeve. Look at that shine. Well, that was it. Thanks for hanging out.